So here we have a 30 kVA from Prime Power Solution, fully designed and manufactured in the United Kingdom. All our generators come with a 7320 MK2 deep sea control panel, color-coded wiring, nice and neat inside. Everything, guys, is manufactured in the United Kingdom, including the keys. We have an emergency stop here. Also comes with a window to monitor without having to open the doors. Every single Prime Power Solutions generator set comes with a plate which has all the details, and you will be able to get all the information for parts and everything on our website if you're required to do so. This in particular is a 30 kVA with a Stanford alternator. Robust base frame with a channel for wiring down the bottom. Hooks for lifting. Unlike many out there that have hooks on the top, we do not have this, and this is mainly for safety. We also supply ATS panels and only use UK manufactured ATS panels, not in other countries. And we use ABB circuit breakers only. Every generator set comes with a brand new battery, this one is naturally aspirated. All our generators also come with a operating manual with extra keys, fully sound annulated inside out, on the top, on all the louvers, everywhere. And the doors also. We also supply trailers for our generators, so in the event that you want to tow the generator around, this can be done also. Thanks for watching. Please share and give us a shout if you require any further assistance. Thank you.